We do look good though.
We do look good. Oh my gosh, Chloe.
I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, going alley loop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the ooze? Still running around with more, get ready, pack to go, y'all. People probably think I show up, ain't even keep it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Share the stage, really honest, turn any given time. Personal problems still a problem, cause I got less without. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even keep it to used to be, this shit sleep the body. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick the body. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She don't want the days, and she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I coach her. I'm in a different league, tired of showing I can get done. She gon' do for me, 40,000 miles up in the air, only time I get some Z's. Full cook press, put on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this shaking, ain't nowhere near easy. Had to find it, hope I'm not too much to handle. City nigga from Atlanta, I spent my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo, $100,000 kit, could've put down on another Lambo.
What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. It's Tanisha. For today's video, I'm gonna bring you guys along with me for a little bit of maintenance for my anniversary that's coming up in a couple days. Right now, I just made some breakfast, some home fries, and some mango salad. This actually tastes so bomb, and some iced coffee, so I'm just going to finish that. And then I'm gonna take a shower and bring you guys to the nail salon with me. That's my signature. I like the no color look. It's the next day. Good morning, guys. I just made myself some iced coffee, and then I have some breakfast here. I just made myself a fruit salad. It has kiwis, plums, and mangoes. And right now I'm just finishing my anniversary gift for my boyfriend. I am making like a cute little memory scrapbook of the two of us. And the plans for tomorrow, he's going to possibly come here or meet at the restaurant. All that has not been planned yet.
Close your eye now.
Boom, this is the first time.
Blue flowers.
Yeah, that's our signature.
So cute.
Yeah, open.
Oh my gosh! That's so nice, guys. This is so cool.
Yeah.
And this is us, obviously. I'm gonna put the picture on the screen of, he has that as his lock screen as well. So I'm gonna get ready because we have a big day ahead. But let me just get ready, and then we got some content to film, and then we'll be on our way.
Smells good.
It does. Happy anniversary, babe. Oh, I was giving you a kiss. Wait.
Okay.
Cute.
outside. TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew aside. All the niggas round me, I gotta watch the
We do
time,
look good though.
We do look good.
I'm outside in the AMG, right outside. TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me.
As good as it gets.
Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying like money. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just do on a hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a son adventure. I could feel maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal.
Yes. 1 year.
Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I feel like I'm about to pop up on the phone, like I'm outside in an AMG.